What's up guys, it's Dylan and Kale and Cash here with Family Travel Go, and today we're going to share with you a product. This is a sponsored video. We were contacted by MDX Concepts to test out the Magma Home Pest Spray. What's cool about it is it's child and pet safe. So when they contacted us, we thought this would be great for our camping trips. We go camping a lot, don't we, Kale? Yeah, we love camping. So we figured, hey, one thing about camping is you got pests and you want to keep them away from you and your family. It's got a great smell to it. It's got a peppermint smell. So we're excited to give this a shot, try it out. And they even gave us a link to it here in the bottom of the video, and it even has a discount code. So go ahead and check it out and give it a shot. What do you think?
Spiders.
Yeah, spiders and ants and all kinds of pests. It's 100% natural. It's safe. Let's see, what's it say? Does it scare you? Yeah, that's why we're going to spray it to keep them away from us.